Hi, I'm Leslie Reichert. I'm a content manager with Teacher-Created Materials. I also have 17 years of classroom experience in the elementary and intermediate grade levels. I am so excited to introduce you to our newest product, Focused Phonics, which has been developed for grades K1 and 2. Focused Phonics is a comprehensive curriculum that moves students through the important steps of decoding, word recognition, fluency, and comprehension. This is what reading research and the science of reading has shown is necessary to develop early literacy. Now, the heart of this kit is really the decodable books. There are 30 captivating and highly decodable books in each grade level kit. Not only are there 6 copies of each book in the kit, they are also included in digital and audio format as part of the digital resources. These books provide students with opportunities to engage with phonics patterns in context, where they can see themselves reflected in the range of characters and settings. The variety of rich texts, including fiction, nonfiction, and text-first books, are aligned to the systematic scope and sequence of Focused Phonics. The words in the books have been carefully selected to provide practice with taught phonics skills and high-frequency words, but most importantly, they sound natural. Natural sounding text gives students opportunities to practice decoding words in authentic stories, rather than relying on predictable or repetitive text. Each book even has a built-in review of all the phonics concepts that have already been taught. So, you're teaching phonics. Fear not, we have you covered with our teacher's guide and the instructional routines. The teacher's guide is full of student-centered lessons that build a strong foundation for phonics instruction. Each of the 10 units includes a unit overview and lesson overview pages that support planning and informed instruction. The lessons are each one page, making them easy to implement. And most importantly, the lessons equip teachers with everything needed to teach phonics explicitly and effectively, including a spiral review to start most of the lessons. The lessons and lesson resources are accessible in an online library for planning and displaying to the class. Now, I have to say, my favorite part of the kit are the instructional routines. They are research-based, they're easy to utilize, and they are engaging for kids. The routines take you step by step through teaching phonics skills like segmenting and blending, phonemic awareness, and high-frequency words. The best part of the instructional routines, though, is in the name. Routines become familiar to teachers and students, allowing the focus of the instruction and the learning to be where it's needed, on the phonics. The routines support the needs of students as they learn increasingly complex concepts and offer strong support for language learners. You can also access quick videos showing the most important concepts in action in the Teacher Resources section of the digital resources. Now, research shows that students need to learn the phonemes of English in order to connect them to graphemes, and this is the resource that every class should have to meet that need. The sound wall cards elevate phonics instruction beyond the 26 letters of the alphabet. The cards encourage proper mouth positions when pronouncing phonemes. There is even a QR code so students can hear an audio recording of the sounds, making it an excellent resource for an interactive bulletin board in the classroom. The concept cards are a unique part of each grade level kit. They offer practice in phonemic awareness, encoding, and decoding. They have a vibrant and functional design with images on the front that support associating sounds with pictures. The sound boxes on the bottoms of the cards can be used with the provided letter tiles and counters to help students match phonemes and graphemes. The backs of the cards include carefully selected words, phrases, sentences, and write-on lines to support practice in decoding and writing. Each concept card is also included in our full-color student-guided practice book. This book provides phonics practice with a wide range of appropriately scaffolded activities needed to foster growth in reading and writing. Each kit includes card games aimed at developing students' oral language through collaborative learning that is focused on essential phonics skills. The games are engaging, challenging, and fun. They can be used in small groups or even one-on-one to reinforce phonics concepts for students needing extra support. Included in the digital resources, you'll find 4 online phonics games, each with a different focus. The games are fun, they're interactive, and they provide students with immediate feedback. This allows students to practice phonics independently. The assessment guide offers benchmark and unit assessments that can be used to establish baselines and measure student progress. It offers teachers everything they need for assessment, including recording sheets, progress monitoring charts, and a scoring guide. You'll even find instructional recommendations on how to reteach concepts if students aren't making the growth that you would expect. And finally, the management guide. This is an invaluable resource that includes research on phonics, instruction, and information about how the components of the kit put that research into practice. Thank you so much for following along as I unpacked the components of Focused Phonics. Please visit our website to learn more about how this resource creates self-assured learners who enjoy reading and informed educators who feel confident in teaching phonics.